Okay, so guys, so now I'm making a video inside Animal Company. I'm gonna go to the mines over there. This. Right. Now this audio. Okay, I put some stuff inside here. Okay. If you're wondering why I need that, it's because if you die and drop something, I need some. Okay. See? I have a GoPro because I gave it to my friend. I can make him suragi, so the rag maybe. Oh yeah, these lava ores are good. This is like it's a good update because you can get infinite money. So this is like a infinite money glitch. Mindos are like, if you ever Mindos, if you ever went to the water map, you know how good it is. Whoa, what? I might hurt myself over there. Okay. Let me go get some more over here. Let me go to the mines. I am Steve. No. Told you. I see ores. Those are ores. Make sure they respawn. Oh, I hope they do respawn. Okay. Now I'll put extra pickaxes in my backpack for some. Yeah, you gotta keep some extra pickaxes just in case if you drop one. When you try to pick up the ores and put in your backpack. Let's see. One. Let's go. I'm just that just in case. The rockets. Get the full bag. Let me get full bag of ores. That's what I've been trying to get. Full bag of ores. And next video I'm gonna show you how to get research points. That's why I get extra. What is happening? So well. Yeah, oh, it's be risky. Those are research points. How much are down there? Those purple ones are research points. Whoa! Went right straight into. I went straight to. And remember when I did this? I always do that. I always do this and do that and go attack. Because when I'm waiting for the lava monkeys, I do this, and this, do this, I do this. Wait, not the monkeys or somebody. Ooh, I can get that. As soon as I can get that. Ooh, no, they came out. That's bad. I think I can get that. Bro, I died again. I'm so trash, bro. Okay. I do this. I always do this in Gorilla Tag. I'm just showing them. I always do this. Wave and then do this. I'm tired. Look. Come. Okay. Let's go back. Oopsies. Where is my rocket? Because I need that. This is my first, and this is my first video that I'm inside Animal Company, and it's my first time making video in Animal Company. I mean, my first Animal Company video. Actually, this is my first Animal Company video. Ooh. Oh, I think is a spider over there? I know the spider can be in here. Yeah, the spider's in there. There's a spider. Yeah, I hear the spider. So I won't be going over there. Next video, I'm gonna go inside, tell you how to get research points. The spot. The spot is up. Oh, let's remember. It's a heavy backpack. Oh, that's some stuff. Uh-oh. I think this would be a raw monster. I do not know the backstory, how this happened. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I get this last ore. Then end the video here, okay? Then end the video. Actually, I'll sell this and end the video. Oh, what does it say? Okay, come on. They respawned. Yay. Those are the worst ores on this map. The mons. Okay, do this. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go to Girls Heaven, show the video, and make video type of video. Next, I'm gonna open the video. I already told you guys what to do. All I'm gonna do. whoa, whoa, whoa. That took me so much damage. That took so much damage. Actually, I don't need this anymore. Let's go. Let's go. This is fast. Ooh, I'm a parkour master. Ooh, jeez. That's good. I'm stinky, bro. Ain't no way. You see much? Let's see how much money I get. You know what was that one? Let's see how much money I get. Oh, 4,000. That made me get 30,000. That made me get 30,000. Okay, that doesn't help. Okay. Bye guys, see you next video.